Do you all remember last time how we heard a train in our train station? Do you remember listening to the train sounds? Let's take a look at this picture. What is that? Is that a train? You want to know the sign for train? It's like this. Can you do this? This is like a train track. And you go over the train track. Exactly. So we are going to listen to some train sounds. Can everybody get ready to listen? Can we rub our ears to get them ready? Is everybody ready? And our ears can listen best when we're quiet, when we're still, okay? Are we ready to listen?